first time real, authentic Asmongold steak. I ate it. Okay, so here's like my detailed breakdown of how it tastes. It looks dry. Yes, it was very dry, but it was pretty much like eating warm beef jerky without that like, what the fuck is it called? It was like beef jerky. Yeah, I guess. I don't know. The gristle? Yeah, there was no gristle. Marinade? No, like, you know how some beef jerky has that like, almost like sugary, like shiny coating quality to it? Yeah, it didn't have that, obviously. But it was just like warm beef jerky. I don't know how else to describe it, but it wasn't bad. Was it a bit crispy? No, it wasn't.